In the dawn of a new era, the world as we know it is transforming. The hum of servers is replacing the clatter of assembly lines. The very fabric of our economy is being rewoven, thread by digital thread. This isn't science fiction, this is the dawn of the AI economy. For generations, the path to prosperity was clear: get a good education, find a stable job, and climb the corporate ladder. But that ladder is disappearing. Millions of jobs, from factory work to data entry, once the bedrock of our middle class, are vanishing, automated into oblivion. We're witnessing the largest workforce transition in human history. But this isn't an ending, it's a new beginning. As old roles fade, new ones emerge from the digital ether. Look closer. In the shadow of the obsolete, a new kind of professional is rising: the AI whisperer, the data ethicist, the virtual habitat designer. These aren't just jobs, they are the pillars of a future we are building today. The assembly lines of tomorrow aren't filled with people, but with intelligent robots, working with a precision and speed that humans could never match, creating industries worth billions. This is the new face of manufacturing, a world of hyper-efficiency powered by code. The traditional office is becoming a relic. Why be tethered to a desk when your office can be anywhere with a Wi-Fi signal? A new generation of digital nomads is rewriting the rules of work, collaborating in virtual spaces from Bali to Berlin. Their currency isn't just money, it's freedom and flexibility. Tech startups born in garages and coffee shops are now scaling to global giants overnight, fueled by AI-driven innovation. They are the architects of this new economy, building the tools and platforms that will define our lives. So how do we navigate this unprecedented shift? The answer isn't to fear the machine, but to learn its language. The most valuable skill in the 21st century is the ability to learn, unlearn, and relearn. Online academies and digital skill bootcamps are becoming the new universities, empowering anyone, anywhere, to become a creator in this AI-powered world. The divide will no longer be between the rich and the poor, but between those who adapt and those who don't. The future of wealth isn't tied to a physical location or a traditional career. It's about owning the algorithms, mastering the data, and building the automated systems that will power our world. The next trillion-dollar industries will be born from this revolution. This is a moment of choice. We can be the bystanders of change, or we can be its architects. The future is not something that happens to us. It is something we create. The AI economy is here. Are you ready to build it? Thank you for watching. If this journey into the future sparked your curiosity, subscribe for more deep dives into the technologies shaping our world.